The importance of today is about getting people from across the council meeting, talking, thinking about how what everyone does could be done differently and better, because what we know is that even when there was lots of money to spend, the problem wasn't solved. Surely that means that when there's not so much money to spend, particularly the light of the referendum, when people have asked some more questions, everyone's going to look again at what we're doing and redouble their efforts. And I think that's what today's been about, and it's been well worth it. My advice for Cardiff citizens is to make your voice heard. What I've seen and heard here today is a group of public sector professionals from across the council who are completely dedicated to meeting the needs of everyone in the city. But I think sometimes people have got to meet them halfway by really standing up, being counted, saying what they think, being fearless. Sometimes people just don't talk and expect other people just to provide. Well, it's time to speak up.